So these are the FreePods 4 by Oraimo, and yeah, let's see what's inside the box. Before we do that, you can see over here it says active noise cancellation, and apparently there's going to be an app that you can use to control it. So we'll be getting into that when I do the final review for these headphones, wireless earphones. And on the back you can see it says there's an iOS app and an Android app. So yeah, we'll get to see all of that very soon. Alright, so here's the unboxing. Alright, so I'm going to slide this out now. I was struggling with this and it kept closing on its own, so I'm going to slide it out. You learn every day. And yeah, okay, it's upside down. You can see it says Oraimo over here. Okay, so this should be the case. I'm going to slide it out. Oh, actually looks and feels very nice. There's a type C charging port here. Okay, to open it you just need to slide it this way, and these are the earphones. Let's see what else is inside the case. Okay, I'll keep this one. Over here we have some extra earbuds. So this is what they look like. They seem similar in size, but when I use them, okay, these ones are smaller than these ones. When I get to use them, then I'll talk about how I feel about them. Next we have the USB charger. As expected, this is a type C charger, so it should easily connect to the case. Finally, we have the manuals for the FreePods 4, and I'll take my time to go through the manuals, but yeah, that's basically what you get. So now the box is empty. It was a unique unboxing experience. This is the first time I've actually seen a box that looks this good. So let's head back inside. So on opening it, the first thing I notice is there's a green light that shows, maybe to show how much battery is left on the earphones. As you can see, this is what they look like. So there are pins here that should be charging the earphones whenever you place them inside the case. So I'm going to remove these stickers. Finally, this is what we have. So yeah, like I said, I'll be testing the earphones to make sure that to find out how good they are. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.